Alright, good morning guys. Jared around the bend pressure washing, doing work today in Tallahassee, Florida. This job was actually a referral I got from the commercial jobs that I've been doing. So take a look. Kind of a mixed bag. There's some brick. I don't know how well you can see, but along the eave definitely needs some treatment. Quite a bit of shrubbery in and around the property, so I'll go through and pre-wet everything. It's already hot and humid this morning, so want to make sure we take time and get everything pre-wet and stay hydrated. And along these gutters, we'll get those cleaned up. And then down along this side, pretty similar to the other side. Hit this building, get it cleaned up. Down along the downspout. And through the backyard. Not quite as bad back here. A couple spots. And then just the exterior of the porch. And then the customer we were walking through this morning asked me to include this pool deck, so we'll get that cleaned up for him. So, gonna get started. It's gonna be a hot one today, so we'll try to move through the jobs. I got 3 on the schedule, so quite a bit of surface work to do today, so we'll stay after it. Alright guys, so all finished up. Everything turned out really good. That's what the pool deck looks like. The customer and I, we talked about the fact that some of that paint was going to come up. He was okay with that. All turned out really good. Gotta get my hoses all wrapped up. I didn't want to track on the pool deck, so I hadn't shot the video now. I also hit this fence. Just kind of threw in this freebie. It turned out pretty good. Both sides. I'm gonna wash on the way out or rinse on the way out, so I gotta dump some water before my next job anyway. That was all pretty nasty up there. Come through here. Sorry for the noise of the pressure washer. I had big staining down along this edge, so got that all taken care of. So first job of the day, and it is hot. So gonna get wrapped up, do some fluids, maybe a bite to eat, and then head on to the next job. So See you when I get there. Alright guys, so job number 2 of 3. Got the front of the house and then a partial on the driveway. I'm going to come to about this line here, give or take. So got this job, actually did the roof across the street, and she called me here and asked if I could do a couple things for her. So it's not overly dirty as much as there's just a lot of cobwebs, so we'll get those knocked down for her. The front of the house itself really isn't that bad. I'll probably do up there too. It'll just take me a minute to shoot that. So get to pulling hoses and get started. We'll see how it turns out. Alright guys, I'm gonna make this a quick one because I gotta head off to my next job, but everything turned out pretty good. Customer's happy. So we'll head to the next one. Alright guys, so last job of the day. Sorry I didn't take it before. It wasn't bad at all. So just a quick sidewalk and a driveway. So got it knocked out pretty quick. All wrapped up for the day. So gotta go home, get cleaned up, get something to eat, and do it all over again. Thanks for watching.